Hi, I'm Hina and welcome to my page where I will be posting a recipe video every day. And this is recipe number 164, Chicken Tikka Masala. This is a well-loved dish you'll often find in Pakistani and Indian restaurants, but trust me, homemade tastes even better. It pairs beautifully with freshly baked naans, and I have a 2-ingredient naan recipe pinned at the top of my page if you'd like to try that as well. Chicken tikka masala is especially interesting because it's often called England's national dish. It's a British Indian fusion recipe believed to have been created in the UK by South Asian immigrants in the 1970s. There's a popular story that a customer once ordered chicken tikka, which is basically grilled chicken, and complained that it was too dry. So the chef improvised it by adding a tomato-based sauce with cream and spices, creating what we now know as chicken tikka masala. This dish beautifully represents how immigration has shaped modern British culture, especially through food. By the early 2000s, it had become so popular that surveys showed people in the UK ordered chicken tikka masala more than traditional fish and chips. So if you give this recipe a try, let me know what you think in the comments.